Today I'm reviewing the Yeezy Slide in the Onyx colorway. Definitely just dropped that shoe. But welcome back to Kicks on Kicks, my channel where I review sneakers. I am bjkicks, and today we're looking at the Yeezy Slide in the Onyx colorway. The black on black on black. The super black Yeezy Slides. Now, this is one of the most recent releases. You know, they had the Yeezy Day and just dropped a million Yeezys at once, and among the most anticipated were these, as well as the Azure Yeezy Slides, which I actually have on my feet right now. These right here. As you can see, I grabbed both. Got to give a huge shout out to the homies over at Pick Pop for sending this pair over. We're going to talk about the shoe. We'll talk about the packaging. We'll talk about the sizing, most importantly. And I'll give you a few legit checking indicators that you can look out for, just in case you're trying to differentiate this replica Yeezy Slide from its retail counterparts that are now long gone. And now you got to grab them from GOAT or StockX or wherever. So in case you don't want to get scammed out there, I'll give you some legit checking pointers. Let's take a look at the packaging real quick first, just to get it out of the way. These come in a Yeezy Slide box, and you've seen Yeezy boxes forever. Says Yeezy Slide. When you opened it, this rep shoe, the shoes weren't actually wrapped in the paper. The paper was just folded at the bottom. That's one legit checking indicator you can look out for. But just taking a look at the box, it says Yeezy Slide made by Adidas, size 9, Onyx, Onyx, Onyx. Now, just taking a look at the UPC code on these. Just wanted to see if it matches up with the shoe. And it does. So, yeah, there's that. Onyx box done. Now let's look at the shoe. Starting from the bottom up, this is the Yeezy Slide. I mean, like I said in my Azure review, this kind of looks like a toy from the bottom, but it's that cool little shark teeth design right there. So that's it. This whole shoe, of course, is made out of one injection molded piece of EVA foam. So you can kind of see like the seams where the mold gets closed around here. But super simple design. Little shroud that goes over your foot. You got the little bubble with the Adidas logo there. On the inside, on the medial side of each shoe, says Yeezy made in China with your sizing information. And that's pretty much the shoe. So, yeah. Now, we talked about the packaging. I showed you the shoe. Let's talk about legit checking indicators. On the Onyx pair, just looking at some comparisons, this is just a little bit of an ashier matte black look, but just slightly, than the retail counterpart. So, retail shoe is a little bit of a richer black. These look like a little bit more of an ashier black. But again, that's super, super faint difference. I can't stress how small that difference really is. The only other real legit checking indicators that I've seen, thanks to my man Jacob Marcellus, the stickers, the size stickers are not actually on the footbed of the shoe, but inside, the little 4-foot strap. And that's really it as far as differences go. Now, what's more important than the difference between this and the retail shoe, because I don't recommend you buying Yeezy Slides secondhand and paying resale for them. That just doesn't make sense. Like, it doesn't make sense to pay resale for Yeezys, to me. But anyway, if the price is right, go for it. Do your thing. But what I did want to point out, though, the sizing. Now, these fit very similarly to the Azures. I find these to be a stiffer foam than the Azures, just so you know. But either case, I'd say go a half size up or go a size up on these. These don't come in half sizes. So I'm a true size 9. And while this whole little outline technically fits my foot, this strap is just a little bit too tight. And so my foot is automatically kind of pushed down a little bit. And my heel kind of hits right at the edge of this right here. When I wear these, especially if you're wearing these like super casually, walking to the mailbox, going to the grocery store, driving, all the types of things that we do. We'll throw a quick pair of slides on real quick. You're going to want to size up in these so that they're comfortable on your foot at all times. It's just this lip, feeling that on the back of my heel. Just, I hate feeling like I'm about to fall out of the shoes. So grab these, size up in them, and that's pretty much it. Again, huge shout out to Pickpot for sending these over for me to review. Much appreciated. I got my new mailbox shoes, and I'm going to go review another pair of sneakers. I'll see you guys in another review video real soon. Peace.